Beyonce from day one, you know what I'm saying? To the BET Awards, she paid homage to Beyonce. She wore this Versace piece, but she made it her own. For the Academy Awards this year, she wore Valentino, this beautiful yellow dress that really harkens back to Cher in the 1970s. Zendaya had so many incredible looks this year. It's hard for me to choose just one, so I'm going to pick two. The Balmain wet look dress that she wore to the Venice Film Festival, and then the second look that I loved so much was the Valentino look she wore to the Critics' Choice Awards that took place